Any iPhone model should not have any issues connecting to Apple servers through the App Store. However, some iPhone XS owners have been complaining because they reportedly can no longer connect to the App Store shortly after the iOS 13 update. Hey guys, Harold here from thecellguy.com, and in this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone XS cannot connect to the App Store. First solution: perform the forced restart on your iPhone. It is possible that this problem is caused by a pretty minor glitch in the system, so the first thing you have to do is the forced restart. This will refresh your iPhone's memory and reload all its services. Most of the time, this procedure is enough to fix this issue. Here's how it's done. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then quickly press and release the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Your iPhone will continue the usual boot process, so wait until the reboot is done. Once your device has finished restarting, try to see if your iPhone can now connect to the App Store. Second solution: make sure your iPhone has a stable internet connection. To be able to connect to the servers, your iPhone should have a stable and fast internet connection. So the next thing you have to do is make sure it's connected to a Wi-Fi network, or that you have enough credits on your account if you're using cellular data. You may disable Wi-Fi for a few seconds and then re-enable it so that the connection between your phone and your network will be refreshed. You may also do so if you're using cellular data. After making sure that your iPhone has a stable connection, launch the App Store again and see if it works this time. If still not, then move on to the next solution. Third solution: factory reset your iPhone. At this point, if the problem still occurs, you have no other choice but to reset your device. Since the problem started after the iOS 13 update, then a reset will be able to fix it. However, make sure to create a copy of your important files prior to the reset. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. After the reset, set up your iPhone as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.